What is up, gamers? Welcome back to another video. Today, guys, I want to talk to you about 3 little tips on how to grow your channel in 2019. And I know a lot of people are doing videos on this topic, but I have thoughts to share too on how I've done it. We've almost hit 10 million views on the channel. I've been doing this for 4 years now. We're closing in on 40,000 subscribers, and I have multiple videos with multi-million views. So I thought it's my obligation to let you guys know some of the tips and some of the strategies and some of the knowledge that I've gained over the years on uploading videos and being consistent, and just kind of giving you tips on how I did it and how I am doing it. And yeah, so we all know by now that if you're a gamer on YouTube, it's literally the hardest niche to join, the hardest one to get into. It's super competitive. We all know this. There's Ninja, there's PewDiePie, there's Jacksepticeye, there's Markiplier, there's all these huge YouTubers. If you think of a gaming YouTuber, you're probably gonna think of one of those 3 or one of those 4 or 5 guys, right? But as we also know, there's a ton more gamers out there. There's a ton more channels that are doing Call of Duty, the newest games, some of the old games, there's retro games, there's Nintendo Switch, there's PS4, there's Xbox One, there's the X or whatever is coming out now, PlayStation, PS Pro, I don't know. Tons of stuff coming out. So please do me a favor, guys, subscribe, smash like, and let's get into this video. So the first tip I want to give you guys is to just upload. I know it sounds super cliche and everybody says it, but it's honest. It's what worked for me. Just upload. Ever since I started YouTube, which was February 6th of like 2015, I think it was. It was a long time ago. I did Clash of Clans content. That's all I could do at the time. That's all I could record. So record what you can and upload whatever it is. It doesn't matter what it is. Just upload something and get started and have fun with it and just enjoy yourself and try to be consistent with it. Try to upload either if you're going to be a channel that uploads once a week, if you're going to be a channel that uploads twice a week, 3 times a week, every day, 2 times a day. If you're going to be a streamer, there's all sorts of different variations that go into this. I decided to upload twice a day from the jump, which, I mean, that was pretty crazy of me to do, but I managed to get it done. Even with Windows Movie Maker, and even with a very bad setup and a very bad laptop with the keyboard that didn't even work, and I made it happen. Crappy internet, 12-hour uploads for a 5-minute video, but I still managed to do 2 a day. I don't know how. I'm probably gonna end up giving you guys more than just 3 tips, but here's the next one. Be specific. If you have a certain time that you want to upload, try to upload at the same exact time every day, or whenever your set schedule is to upload. Try to set your videos public on that same time every day, or every time you upload, so that way YouTube's like, oh, okay, this guy uploads at this time and this time and this time, and then all your videos go out at the same time. Your audience knows when you're uploading. It's really good to have a schedule. So try to have a schedule, whether you're gonna stream Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday, or Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or just in the weekend, or maybe Monday through Friday, or whatever it is. Try to have a schedule set, and try to inform your audience, whether it's on Twitter or social medias or through your channel or through in a video itself, to let them know when you're going to be streaming. Have it in your description, have it in your posts, anything like that, at the end of your video. Anything you can do to let your audience know that you're going to be streaming or uploading or doing this, or if you're having a day off or whatever is going on. Be aware and be connective. Tip number 3, as a small channel or as a channel that has no subscribers and you're starting from scratch, do not get discouraged, okay? It is very easy to get discouraged on YouTube. You see all these videos that get millions and millions of views, and you want millions of views, or maybe you just want like 50 views on a video, but you just can't do it. You know, you play the hottest games, you go out and buy Minecraft, and you try to get all the views from Minecraft, you know, but your video gets like 10 views, and then some other guy uploads the same video and it gets like 500,000 views. It's just how YouTube is sometimes. You gotta be consistent, and you gotta work at it, and you gotta really, really grind at it, and just keep uploading. For me personally, GTA 5 happened to be a really big thing that just sort of blew up for me. I did this really cool train video, and then I also did a meteor shower mod video, and I did a ton of different mods showcasing and funny moments and me just being really weird and loud and derpy and just being myself, really. And it ended up, after 4 to 6 months, getting over 1 million views, and now after 2 years of it being up, it's at 3.6 million views. I don't know how that's even possible, but I'm very, very thankful for all of the support on that video. And if you guys haven't seen it, go check it out in the description. I mean, why not plug? That's another tip right there. Plug if you can. If you have a really cool video that you've been uploading and you like it and no one really seems to know about it, let people know about it in your future videos. Say, hey, in the description there's a link to this other playlist, go check this out. Or hey, I'm gonna be uploading this kind of content, so go check this video out. It's gonna be awesome, get ready for it. Something like that. Let your audience know that you're gonna be, you know, be engaging. Tip number 4 or 5, I'm kind of just ranting at this point in time, but once you find a video that pops off, find a video that does really good for you, gets 100 views or 1,000 or even insane amounts of views, keep making that sort of content. Even if you don't necessarily love that content, if you want to grow, you kind of have to do what you have to do to grow on this platform, especially if you are a gaming channel, because of how much competition is on the platform. So if you find a video that you manage to get a lot of views on and you think it's really cool and a lot of people seem to like it, keep doing that kind of content and grow your channel, because once you have a big audience on the channel, you can play almost whatever you want, and they should, if they love you for you and your personality and the way you make videos, they should watch almost anything you upload, which is really cool. Take into consideration PewDiePie and Markiplier. Markiplier uploaded a video of him just eating pretzels for 5 minutes, and it got like 4 or 5 million views. You know, it's not because, oh, people want to watch pretzels. Like, no, it's because his audience is awesome and just wants to watch him be derpy and stupid in himself. And it's, you know, that's what you need to do, is find your own little group of people in your community and just kind of feed off that energy and make something awesome out of it. I'm trying to be real with you guys in this video. I'm not trying to be like, okay, this is what you have to do, this is what you have to do, you have to follow this step-by-step plan, and if you don't do this, you're not gonna make it, because I'm not even there yet, guys. Like, to a lot of you might think I've made it, and you would love to be in my spot, and I would love to be in a lot of other YouTubers' positions right now, but this is where I'm at, and I'm happy where I am right now, and I want you guys to be happy wherever you are in your journey, because it's just gonna keep getting better and better and better, and you're gonna keep growing, and it's gonna be great. Tip number 6, if you can, try to collab with people. If you have friends that also do YouTube and you guys are just having fun together and you collab, you can switch viewers maybe and kind of grow that way through cross connections. It's pretty cool. Or maybe find a bigger YouTuber. I wouldn't recommend going and asking like YouTubers with millions of subscribers to collab with you and spamming them. That's not the way to do it. Don't do anything like that. Spam bots, none of that crap. Do not do that. T-Series. Speaking of T-Series and PewDiePie, who are you guys for? Leave it in the comments. I would love to know, T-Series or PewDiePie. The next tip is to not worry about the content so much. Don't worry about the quality. Don't worry about if you have like a super nice camera. Don't worry about if you have really nice audio. Don't worry if you know you have the best lighting in the world. Just upload what you can. Don't worry about the quality. It's all about quantity on YouTube at the moment. Like, try to have decent quality, but like, you don't have to go out and spend all this money, you know, that you're not really gonna make back on the platform yet, because you don't have an audience, so you're not gonna get views. So you have to kind of just work with what you have and just settle for that. I had to settle for years. For like the first 1.5 to 2 years, I had to settle for just my really crappy laptop with my keyboard that barely worked and really bad internet, and it was just awful. But I made it work, and I uploaded every day, and I was strict, and I was what's that word? What's that word? Disciplined. I was disciplined. You gotta have discipline. That's the next tip. Discipline. Set a schedule for yourself, like I said before, but not just for your uploads. Like, set a schedule. Like, I need to have this video done by this time tomorrow, or I need to have these videos done, or I need to make these thumbnails for these videos that I plan on doing next week, or, you know, kind of stay ahead of yourself. Don't get backed up to where you're like, crap, now I don't know what I'm gonna do today. You know, like, try to have a plan ahead of schedule. Try to have videos planned, maybe prepped, you know, maybe have videos for next week all ready to go, and then you're good for the week if something comes up. Always try to stay ahead of yourself and try to plan. Like it can become a job, you know, like a job. It doesn't feel like one, obviously, but you can make this a career. So you kind of have to, I almost smacked my light. Stay there. You kind of have to think of it as a business in a way. So you have to plan ahead. You have to know what's gonna happen. You have to have everything in place, and then it all comes together in the end. Here's another tip, guys. If you can afford it, get some of the hottest games, all the new games, the early accesses, whatever you can do. Even if you have to play demos for games, it doesn't really matter. Just try to play the hottest games, do some research on some of the news that's going around the community at the moment, in the gaming community, or, you know, like PewDiePie and T-Series is really hot right now, so a lot of people are doing videos on that and talking about that. A lot of people are talking about Far Cry New Dawn at the moment. New Dawn kind of sounds like udon, which reminds me of noodles, which makes me hungry because I love noodles. Do you guys like noodles? Like, what's your favorite noodles? Are you ramen or team sushi? Team sushi, team ramen? Let me know in the comments as well. I like to know. I'm team ramen. I used to be team sushi. I still love sushi, but like ramen, oh, that's some good ish right there. I really hope I didn't miss any tips in this video, but I think that's it. There's always tips. There's always more tips to learn. I'm sure you'll learn some more yourself. There's a lot of key features in YouTube's studio beta at the moment right now, so kind of just go into your analytics and just kind of compress everything, kind of look at everything, kind of search and see what things are. Definitely Google, definitely watch more YouTube videos. You can watch some of my other videos if you just want inspiration, if you're having a bad day. I definitely recommend going and checking out some of my horror games. If you guys are into horror games, definitely recommend going and checking out some of my LSPDFR police mods for GTA 5. That's one of my most popular series at the moment, so that's why I keep doing that. I also have simulator games. I also have indie games. I play games on itch.io. I play whatever I want. And it's also good, here's another little tip, it's also good to not just stick to a certain area. I'm not just a gaming channel. The majority of the videos on my channel are gaming, but I also do fitness, or I have done fitness in the past when I was doing my fitness journey. I was also doing vlogs, which I still do vlogs. I travel to New Zealand to see my girlfriend every now and then, so I go there and I film all of that stuff. I vlog that. We do challenges. We do fun stuff over there. I also vlog some of my daily life. So you don't have to just stick to gaming or stick to tutorials or how-tos or reviews or whatever you really want to do. I also do music on the channel. I've done some music videos before, so go check those out. I have a whole playlist. I'll leave all the playlists for my favorite stuff down below that I have on the channel that you can check out if you want to. It would really, it would really mean a lot. It's also good, here's another tip, it's also good to kind of not edit out a lot of the stuff that happens. Like, I just burped right there. I'm just gonna leave that in because, you know what, I'm a human, you know, I'm not a robot, you know, I'm not like, a lot of people view these big YouTubers as like gods or something, and like they're perfect and everything, but they're humans too, guys, you know? But I think that's gonna wrap it up for the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. Maybe you can put some of these practices into your channel and really work on everything. Also, before I go, make sure, please, this is like almost the most important one that I almost forgot, is your titles and your thumbnails. Make sure you have the best thumbnails that you could possibly have. Don't just throw up whatever thumbnail YouTube gives you when you upload the video. Make your own thumbnails. Try to make them as good as you can. Make them pop. Look in YouTube. Just search whatever your video is and search what the thumbnails are for those top videos, and try to get ideas on, like, okay, that looks cool. That's getting clicks. Okay, let me try that, and then make something that pertains to your own video. Also, remember to do tags on your videos. Try to fill up the tag bar as much as you can with topics relating to your video, because a lot of people don't do that. A lot of people leave the tags empty, and I don't understand that. So make sure you fill the tags, make sure you have a really good title, make sure your spelling is nice, make sure it looks good, and that should be it. I think that's it. I hope I didn't miss anything. If I did, I'm very sorry. Let me know in the comments if you guys are YouTubers, how many subscribers you have, how long you've been doing YouTube. Just let me know a little bit about you guys, and I will leave you guys a heart down below. I'll try to reply to a lot of you guys because I love doing that, and hopefully I'll see you guys in some of my other videos and in some of my streams. I stream almost every single day. Monday and Thursday I usually miss out on because I'm busy, but for the most part I stream in the mornings throughout the week and on the weekends, so it'll be super duper cool. Hope I see you in the chat. But until then, guys, thank you so much for joining. I will see you guys next time. Have an awesome day.